Alright, I'm kind of going at this project with my lawnmower bit by the seat of my pants. And this bracket that holds all this stuff over here up, it's got a lot of holes in it. I don't know if it's for attaching accessories or what. Right here, we're on this side. You can see there's two holes already in there. And I really don't want to do any direct welding to my machine. It'll burn the paint. It would work though. I could just weld some metal pipe on there, but I got some other ideas. I want to try to bolt it on there. And I'll just keep tinkering until I come up with the best attachment. I want to be above that frame down there so the bottom of the golf club will all be at the same height, resting right on top of that frame. Got this pipe out of the scrap iron bin, but it's all rusty and not quite big enough. In the garage, I found this part of an old satellite dish mount. And I don't need nothing all this substantial. It's a thin wall pipe. Those holes look like they're 5 or 6 inches apart. If I cut 5 or 6 inches of this pipe off, a piece about that long, and bolt it where those two holes are, that would be directly above that frame. So I could get two out of that. And put them directly across from each other. There's one over here on this side. It's got holes in it as well. That is providing it'll fit in there. I hadn't thought about that. Yeah. It don't take no college boy to figure out we can get it in there. So that takes care of the two front brackets. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the back yet. But we'll have 50% of it done if we go ahead and manufacture them front pieces. I got my angle grinder out, and it looks like a little bit contoured right here where they bent that circle, but we'll make a bolt line up. I can get a 5-inch piece out of that. I have to get my other 5-inch piece out of this end over here. Not cutting none too even, but I can smooth that up with the grinder. There's one piece. Let's do the other one. Alright, this one's already got a hole in it that I can utilize to bolt on that thing out there. So this one won't line up. I'll have to make a new hole here. So we need 5 or 6 inches cut off of that. Didn't bring my tape measure. I left it out there. Oh no, there it is. I need to line my eyeballs up. That ain't very straight. smooth it up with the grinder. If that don't work, I still got a piece big enough to get 5 inches out of it. In fact, that might even work on the back somewhere. We'll hang on to that. Let's go grind these up and work on these. Not very straight. Well, that was quicker than Bob saying Bob you got that done quicker than you can say Bob your uncle. Do the other one. We got some birds inside, but we'll clean them off. I like that piece better than I do the other one. We can bolt that booger bear right there. I need to mark the bottom bolt hole and go drill a hole. I haven't assured myself that this is the way I'm going to go, but I'm going to try this. Rather than drill holes, I'm going to take these two pipes in the back that I just welded this piece of metal on, and I'm going to zip tie it right there. And it won't be nothing permanent. The lawn will have no damage. Put one over there. The one that I drilled holes for bolting, I'm going to put over here. Can't quite get that one to fit over there, but it'll still be sitting on the frame, and all these other three will keep it from moving. So I'm just going to leave that one off for now. I might have to special design a pipe for that one. But let's go ahead and attach this, and we'll say we got a little bit done today. Might not seem a whole lot, but I've been just straining my brain for 2 hours now. I need longer zip ties. We'll just put two together. I don't know. I was wrong. One will fit. I'm just going to snug it up. Need to get some bigger zip ties is what I need. These little small ones might not grip tight enough. Get your pliers, Walter. That ought to do it. My George, that's pretty snug. Doesn't have to be perfect. For now, we're going to try that. Go ahead and build my rack. And if I don't think that's permanent enough, I could always tack weld it right on there. Wouldn't be the end of the world if I had to tack weld the bracket on there. Right now, it's going on there with zip ties. I think I want to find a more heavy-duty zip tie that has a wider base to it. I don't have any of them big white ones I had. Already used them up. Somebody send me a couple of zip ties. I'm going to Tractor Supply tomorrow. You know what's going to be first on my list. Alright, let's see if that's cooled off enough to touch. Golf club is going to sit right in there. I like it. Let's go in the shop and drill holes for that third bracket before we quit for today. I got that bracket posted on there really nice. And like I say, I don't know if I'm going to weld those or just use them with zip ties. We're just about ready to move on to making our rack. But it's time to go eat supper. So we're going to conclude the video right here. Whether it works or not, Walter is having fun tinkering around on his lawnmower.